Shandong Lanrun Precision Bearing Company Limited, forging the powerhouse of trust and quality. Lanrun Bearing, with its expansive reach over land and sea, diligently refines its craft within these vast boundaries. Since its establishment, the company has dedicated itself to professional design, precise manufacturing, and rigorous quality control. It has poured its comprehensive corporate strength to provide you with exceptional bearing products, embodying an enduring force of resilience and power. Founded in 2007, Shandong Lanrun Precision Bearing Company Limited is a professional bearing manufacturer that combines design and research. After years of development, a group business model has been formed within the company. The company has two branches, namely the Qingdao office of Qingdao Shenyang A.N.D International Trading Company Limited, with an annual sales volume of $30 million, and Shenyang A.N.D International Trade Company Limited in Shenyang, with an annual sales volume of around $40 million. Its two bearing manufacturing bases are located in Shandong, each covering an area of more than 40 acres, with a combined annual capacity of 50 million sets of finished bearings. The company always adheres to the principles of quality first, customer orientation, technological innovation, and continuous improvement. It strives to manufacture zero-defect products and provide quality products and excellent services to domestic and international markets. With our dedication and professionalism, we have crafted superior bearing products. We boast various registered brands including EPZ HQ A.I.N.D.B, Lanrun, and WDTP. Our products include the first, second, and third generation of automotive hub bearings, agricultural machinery hub bearings, low-noise deep groove ball bearings, tapered roller bearings, self-aligning roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, thrust ball bearings, angular contact ball bearings, thrust cylindrical roller bearings, thrust self-aligning roller bearings, and other types of bearings with diameters from 30 millimeters to 500 millimeters. We can also design and manufacture various special bearings as per user requirement. Our products come in various quality grades including PO, P6, and P5, with noise levels of Z1, Z2, Z3, and EMQ for low-noise motor bearings. Our products are widely used in motors, pumps, machine tools, automobiles, agricultural machinery, air conditioners, fans, air compressors, and other industries. Our products are made from high-quality raw materials from around the world. The state's leading production equipment has been provided to realize a comprehensive, process-oriented manufacturing, and the specialized laboratories have been provided for uninterrupted precision testing of the bearing's lifespan and effectiveness. We follow the ISO 9001-2015 and TS 16949-2009 model for product quality control to ensure that our product's precision and lifespan meet world-leading standards. In today's globalized world, we have broadened our vision to the international market with our products exported to the United States, Germany, Turkey, Dubai, Singapore, Russia, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and other countries and regions. Our quality and service have elicited enthusiastic responses from global users. No matter when and where, we constantly strive for excellence in product quality and technological innovation. Our achievements are rooted in the trust of each user and our dedicated effort behind every product. At Shandong Lanrun Precision Bearing Company Limited, we are constantly striving to ensure that our trusted products reflect our professionalism and quality. As for the road ahead, we look forward to standing alongside you to witness every significant